Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Anashwara and I make makeup and beauty related videos here on my channel. So now that you're here, please watch the whole video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's go. So as you guys can see from the title, today I'm going to recommend you some products which are super affordable, super good quality, and are for people who wants to buy one product from each category and be done with it. And also, if you're intrigued with this look, I have already posted an IGTV on how I created this look, so please go check it out. And I am super active on my Instagram, please go follow me there. And also, all the products I mentioned in this video will be linked down below, so don't forget to check that out. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you watch my YouTube videos or my IGTV videos, you guys know what I start my makeup, and that is a moisturizer. And I would highly recommend this Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. It is a very light formula, and it sits very nicely on your skin and moisturizes it very well. This stuff is really similar to Neutrogena Hydro Boost, and that is for like 900 rupees, and this cost 299 rupees, and you can always get a good discount on this on Amazon. So the second step after moisturizing is priming your face, and I have two recommendations for primer. First is Nykaa's Prep Me Up primer. I have used it twice and it is a pretty good primer, and it is also very affordable. It is for like 499 rupees if I am not wrong. The second one is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. It comes in two variants. I have the dewy one. There is also one which is the matte finish one. Now for foundation also, I have two recommendations. First one is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. That is like very high coverage foundation, and the second recommendation would be Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This I have two shades. I have one in golden caramel and one in warm nude, and I mix the two to make my perfect foundation. And these retail for I guess 500 rupees, but you can get this for cheaper. There is a smaller tube which is for 299, and you get all these shades, so you can check that out. Now if you're somebody who do not like to put foundation but still want a little bit of coverage, then you should go for a BB cream or a CC cream. Now I am not that big on BB cream or CC cream. It's basically moisturizer plus your foundation, so you can do that. Or one BB cream which I like is Garnier BB cream. It also has SPF, so you can just wear it and be done with it. Now for concealer, I have again Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I use the shade Sand Sable, and this is a very good concealer. My second recommendation would be Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Now this is a very recent purchase, but I really like the formula and the coverage as well. I mix the two and make my perfect shade. I don't like a very highlighting foundation, very highlighting concealer, and this is a bit light. Like this is really highlighting concealer, but when I mix these two, it gives me my shade, and that's what I like. Now for compact as well, I have two recommendations. First is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact, and the second one is the Lakme Radiance Complexion, which retails for like 150 rupees. I guess it was everyone's first compact powder, at least it was for me. Now when it comes to loose powder, I am going to recommend my holy grail, which is Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I use the shade 15 Light. This is a really good powder. It makes your skin super smooth, and it kind of blurs out the pores, and the formula is really finely milled. I've also heard that the K-Beauty loose powder is really good. I haven't tried it yet, but I am planning on doing that super soon. So yeah, you can also check that out. Now when it comes to blush, if you are a beginner, you need to be really careful. You need to have a very light hand while using a blush, and my recommendation for blush would be Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. This is a very pretty blush, and this looks gorgeous on Indian skin or brown skin. Now comes my favorite product, which is highlighter, and I have like 10 to 15 highlighters and I can't recommend all of them. So the best two are, so this is Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petal. This is a very pretty blush, and if you're looking for a blush which has slight pink undertones, then you can go with this one. Now the second recommendation is, I think, my favorite highlighter after all the highlighters I have, because this is the most blinding highlighter. This is by Maybelline. It's their Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. This is such a pretty golden highlight. This looks so beautiful on Indian skin. Even if you're fair, medium, dark, whatever your skin tone is, this will look good on you, I guarantee you. And this is so blinding, so blinding. If you're looking for a if you're looking for a highlighter for a special occasion, please go for this one. Like, you won't be disappointed, and this is worth every penny. So yeah, this is the highlighter I'm wearing on right now. Actually, I've used most of the products I've shown right now, like the foundation, the concealer, the loose powder. Now for bronzing, I would recommend this palette from Sugar. It has a blush, a highlighter and a contour. So this is how it looks. So if you are somebody who is like fair to medium skin tone, this would look gorgeous. Like, you would not need a different blush, highlighter and contour. You just buy this palette and you will be done with it. It has a beautiful highlighter, a very beautiful blush and a very nice shade of contour right here. So yeah, this is my next recommendation. And if you're somebody who is looking for a bronzer, I have a very affordable bronzer for you guys. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. Now I know this says contouring palette, but this is in the shade Caramel Top. Now the darker shade is a little warm toned, so that's why I use it as a bronzer. And even this powder, this is a little yellow tone powder, so you can use this under your eyes. It is very highlighting. So yeah, you can buy this, or you can go with the Sugar palette and you don't have to buy a separate blush and a highlighter. Now for liquid eyeliner, I have two recommendations, and both of them are from Lakme. The first one is Lakme Absolute Shine Line, and the second one is Lakme Insta Liner. Both of them are really good quality eyeliner. Both of them are super black and matte. So yeah, this one is a little bit cheaper than this one, so you know, this is fine. So now when it comes to mascara, I only go to one brand, and that is Maybelline. Be it their Colossal Mascara, be it their Lash Sensational Mascara, be it their Total Temptation Mascara, or their Push Up Drama Mascara. There are a lot of variants for this. I think even the Total Temptation comes in two variants, that is, one is waterproof and the other one is not. I use washable mascara, so if you are somebody who likes waterproof mascara, there are 100 of variants in Maybelline. So when it comes to kajal, I have two recommendations. The first one is Lakme Iconic Kajal, and the second one is the Plum Kajal. And now this is really long lasting, and this do not smudge. So if you are somebody who is on the hunt of a smudge proof kajal, then go for the Plum one. Now comes the interesting stuff, which is eyeshadow, and I have two recommendations for you. Both are super affordable, and both are really bomb products. My first recommendation would be Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow in the shade Rosé in the Air. Now I guess I have used this on my Raksha Bandhan tutorial or something. I would link it on my iCard and also down below if you want to see how I use this. This is how it looks. It is such a pretty palette, and it has really good shades. Now there are so many variants in this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palettes, but my favorite one is Rosé in the Air. And my second eyeshadow recommendation is my Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this is in the shade 05. Now this is how it looks. It is very pretty, and I used it on my eyes today, and you can see it is super pigmented. I did not struggle with it whatsoever. You can see it on my IGTV if you do not believe me. And the main thing is this is very affordable. This retails for like 220 rupees or 230 rupees. You get like 4 matte shades and 5 shimmer shades, and it is really good quality eyeshadow. And there are multiple variants for this particular Swiss Beauty Ultimate 9 pan shadows. So yeah, you can buy whichever one you like. You want a pink one, you want a coral one, you can go for whichever one you like. I went for a very neutral one. So yeah, I can create a smoky eye with this. I can create a look for a very simple everyday makeup. And if you want to see this in action, go check out my IGTV. You can see for yourself. I hardly dipped my brush on the black eyeshadow and I got this. Now for eyebrows, I would recommend the Sugar Pencil. This is also a very recent purchase. I have showed this in my Nykaa haul, the hot pink haul. So if you haven't checked that out, I will link it above. Go check that out. And my second eyebrow recommendation would be Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. It has 4 shades and it comes with a brush which has this angled brush on one end and a spoolie on the other. So yeah, if you're looking for a pencil, you can go for the Sugar one, and if you're looking for a powder product for your eyebrows, go for the Miss Claire one. This is really good, very pigmented, very good quality, and it comes with a brush. Now to finish off our makeup, we need a setting spray. My first recommendation would be Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. This is a good affordable product. So my second setting spray recommendation is Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer. This is a really good setting spray, and it retails for like 300 rupees or so. So yeah, this is a very affordable and a good setting. So I thought of finishing off this video here, but then I was like, I should also recommend some lipstick. I was not going to, because lipstick is something, you are not going to have just like one of it. So I'm going to recommend some lipsticks, some of my favorite lipsticks and affordable ones. Or maybe these shades would not work for you, but the formula of these lipsticks is really good. So my first recommendation would be Maybelline Creamy Mattes. So yeah, these are Maybelline Creamy Mattes, and my favorite shade is Nude Nuance. This is how the shade looks, and it is really pretty, and it has a creamy formula and it has like a velvety texture. It is not completely matte, as the name suggests. It's creamy matte. Now if you're looking for a liquid lipstick which is super matte, then you should go for this one. This is a Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick, and my favorite shade is Give Me Mocha, and this is long lasting, non-transferable, matte liquid lipstick. Now if you're looking for a bit more affordable liquid lipsticks which is matte and also good quality, then you can go for these are Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is how these look. These are also very good quality, and I guess these retails for like 200 rupees or 250 something. So guys, that was my makeup recommendation for you guys. I hope it helped you in some way, and if it did, please let me know in the comments down below. And everything I've mentioned in this video will be linked down below, so don't forget to check that out. And I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. I am very active there. I put up posts regularly. I make IGTV videos for you guys, so please do check that out. Also, if you guys have some other recommendations, please do let me know in the comments down below. So that was it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Till then, be kind, be safe. Bye bye.